Hi everyone, welcome to my project for CS50 Web Development using Python and JavaScript. In this project, we have created a dynamic online encyclopedia. Let me walk you through its key features. First, let's look at the index page. Here you will find a list of all encyclopedia entries. Each entry is clickable so you can easily navigate to the entries detailed page. For example, let's click on CSS. Here we are on the entry page for CSS. It shows the content of the CSS entry. If you try to visit a page that does not exist, like suppose instead of CSS we are going to JavaScript, here a message or an error shows saying that the entry does not exist. Next up is the search feature. You can type a query in the search box. Like for a direct query example, let's take Python. Since it matches the entry name exactly, we are redirected to the Python's entry page. The content is displayed correctly as expected. Now let's try a substring query. If we try G in the search box, we get a list of entries containing G as a substring. This includes Git and Django. Clicking on any of these will take us to the respective entry page. Let's click on Git. Here's the entry page for Git. The content is displayed correctly just like with other entries. Let's move on to creating a new page. Clicking create new page in the sidebar brings you to a form where you can enter a title and mark down content. Let's try to create a new entry Python which in reality already exists. So when we try to create it, an error will appear saying that entry page already exists. Now let's successfully try to create an entry like JavaScript. We saw that JavaScript is not there. Now let's save it. We are redirected to the JavaScript entry page, and we can also check now it's listed in our index also. On each entry page there is an edit link. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can edit the markdown content. For example, if we edit the Django entry, the text area will be pre-populated with the existing content. Now let's make some changes here. Like here I say I personally like to use it. Now let's make changes. We saved it and now we are redirected back to the updated Django's entry page. Finally, the random page feature. Clicking this button in the sidebar takes you to a randomly selected encyclopedia entry. It's a fun way to explore different topics in the encyclopedia. All the content is written in Markdown, but on the entry pages, it's converted to HTML for proper display. This includes formatting for headings, bold text, lists, links, and paragraphs. And that's a quick overview of my CS50 web development project. Thanks for watching.